Hello, your daily UK weather is here. London will see predominantly cloudy, with temperatures reaching a high of 17. A fresh southwesterly breeze around 13 miles per hour. Temperature dropping to 11 overnight. Pressure falling steadily. Manchester will experience light rain, with afternoon highs around 16. Winds southwesterly at 11 miles per hour. Lows around 10 tonight. Looking elsewhere, Birmingham will be occasional light rain, with temperatures climbing to 14. Fresh southwesterly winds at 14 miles per hour. Tonight's low around 11 degrees. Clearer spells after dark. In the northwest, Liverpool can expect light drizzle, with maximum temperatures of 15. Moderate southwesterly winds at 12 miles per hour. Tonight falling to 11. Cloud thickening from the west. For Leeds today, light rain and temperatures up to 17. Winds westerly at 12 miles per hour, dropping back to 11 degrees overnight. Turning our attention, looking at Bristol, patchy drizzle and reaching 14 degrees. Fresh southwesterly winds around 13 miles per hour. Tonight's minimum around 11. Clouds building from the southwest. Brighton will be variable conditions, with temperatures climbing to 14. Windy conditions with southwesterly winds at 19 miles per hour, cooling to 13 during the night. Cloud thickening from the west. Moving elsewhere, Oxford will be misty rain, with daytime temperatures around 16. A fresh southwesterly breeze around 17 miles per hour. Tonight's low will be 9 degrees. Mist patches possible by morning. The outlook for Cambridge, patchy drizzle, peaking at 17 degrees. Fresh southwesterly winds around 17 miles per hour. Tonight's minimum around 11. Down in the southwest, Plymouth will be patchy light rain, reaching 14 degrees. Strong southwesterly winds at 19 miles per hour. Tonight's low around 12 degrees. Becoming cloudier through the day. In Portsmouth, expect light drizzle with highs of 15. Strong southwesterly winds at 19 miles per hour. Minimum temperature 13 degrees. Pressure rising slowly. Turning our attention, Norwich will be overcast with breaks, reaching 16 degrees. Fresh southwesterly winds around 14 miles per hour. Tonight's low around 12 degrees. Cloud increasing from the southwest. Moving on, Exeter can expect patchy drizzle, with highs of 16 degrees. Fresh southwesterly winds at 18 miles per hour. Minimum overnight temperature 11. The outlook for Reading, gentle rain, peaking at 17 degrees. Strong southwesterly winds around 19 miles per hour. Minimum overnight temperature 10. That's it from me today. Remember to subscribe and I'll see you tomorrow with more UK weather.